Dividing 4-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers with remainder. In division, we have to remember the following steps. First, we're going to divide. Next is multiply, then subtract, and then bring down. And then repeat steps 1 to 3 or 1 to 4, depending on the number of digits in the dividend. For example, we have 2,740 divided by 36. 2,740 is our dividend and 36 is our divisor. We will use the multiples of 36 as our guide. 36, 72, 108, 144, 180, 216, 252, 288, and so on and so forth. We have 2-digit divisors, so we're going to divide 27 divided by 36. Since 36 is not contained in 27, we will consider the next digit 4. So we're going to divide 274 divided by 36. How many 36 are there in 274? Refer to the multiples of 36. There are 7. So 274 divided by 36 is equal to 7. Write 7 above 4, and then we will multiply 7 by 36. 7 times 36 is equal to 252. Write 252 under 274. Be sure that they are aligned. And then we're going to subtract 252 from 274. 274 minus 252 is equal to 22. And then bring down the remaining digit and the dividend 0. So we have 220. And then we're going to repeat steps 1 to 3. Divide 220 divided by 36. How many 36 are there in 220? Refer to the multiples of 36. There are 6. 220 divided by 36 is equal to 6. Write 6 on the top of 0. And then we're going to multiply 6 by 36. 6 times 36 is equal to 216. Write 216 under 220. And then we're going to subtract. Subtract 216 from 220. 220 minus 216 is equal to 4. 4 is our remainder or leftover. So we have our quotient 76, remainder 4.